Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your project from Base44. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now logged in to Base44 in our own main workspace, and from here you can see our recent apps. So we can click on any recent app that we have made, and as you can see right here I have made a very simple yet working time swifter. And so this is going to be a time stop or a start stop that you're going to use, start, stop, reset. Now to extract it, you may click on the publish button, but this will only publish it online where you can use it on the link. To extract it to your computer, simply click on this button right here that is on the left. And as you can see, you can click on see all files, or you can simply click on export project as zip. Once you click on export project as zip, just make sure that you are subscribed to the main plan. And once you upgrade your plan, then it can just give you all the files into a small zip folder, which you can download and it's going to install on your computer directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.